I'm Rachel, and I'm going to show you the many uses for Slipstick's new bumper range. They come in a 48-piece variety pack with 5 different sizes, offering great value. There are hundreds of different uses for these bumpers, whether it be protecting cabinet doors from slamming shut or drawers from closing noisily. They are super simple to install. Just peel off the backing, being careful not to touch the adhesive, and then apply to the surface. Job is done, no more banging when doors close. You can choose from either 3/8 or 1/2 inch in size for cabinets and drawers to stop noise and give a soft close. Vases and any item that needs protection or surfaces that you don't want damaged. They work brilliantly under laptops to replace missing feet or to allow better airflow. The larger round size, 7/8, does a great job in protecting walls and alike from door handles. So many different uses around the home. How many will you find? These Slipstick bumpers are premium quality and are guaranteed not to fall off. 48 pieces in 5 different sizes, all backed by Slipstick's 1-year warranty.